To use media input to easily switch the media playback output on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, play music, video, or any audio. Swipe down the top of the screen to open up the notification panel. Tap Media Input button. Here you can see the list of available devices that are connected to your phone. Tap the desired device you want to switch to for media playback. As the example, we will switch the media output from Galaxy Buds to the phone speaker. Given to the function, you can use this feature to get quick and easy control over your audio output, helping you seamlessly switch between different audio devices without interrupting your media experience and without you have to open setting or the app. This is especially useful when you have multiple audio devices connected to your phone and you want to change the playback source quickly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.